I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, it's all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Good morning. It's been a minute. Been so busy. I'm being not busy. Okay, anyway, going hunting today. Bird hunt. Shoot whatever we get. Whatever flies, dies. Kinda. Unless it's a minor bird. Still could die. But yeah, me, Dennis, will go bird hunt. I don't know where we're going. Up on a kill. Or whatever. But we'll shoot some birdies. So stay tuned. Dennis. Alright. Changing it up today. Dennis drop. Good morning.
Morning.
What is that? Wow.
Toy for joy.
Oh yeah. How come we're not taking that today?
I just thought of something. You know what?
Can't forget this. Oh, how come? No. Is that mildew? Okay, we'll wipe the doo-doo anyway. Oh yeah. What you thinking, Dennis? What you thinking? Porta potty.
All good.
Hikers. Take a hike. Woo-hoo-hoo. First bird hunt for me. Cherry. All right.
Okay.
Where are we going?
So we're gonna walk down just a little ways. We're gonna hit a ravine. Look at that. Look at the tracks.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna hit a ravine. We're gonna walk the ravine down to where we're able to cross it. And then we're gonna cross it and we're gonna walk the opposite back.
Sounds good.
So the last time I went here, just as I was getting in it, because it opens up. It's not thick like this.
Yeah.
I was in the thick stuff. Like from here to that tree, and I busted an Urkel, man. I was like, wasn't ready.
Oh, this is nice. Where's the bird, Dennis? Nothing so far. This fucking Mojitos. Only Mojitos.
pretty good. That's tight.
Oh, new spot, cause all the spot there is shit.
Birds.
Yeah, you. Alright. Still walking now. There's this shit Hollywood hunting. Oh yeah. Oh, there's some Franklin or something pop up. I don't know how I'm gonna record me shooting, but I'm gonna try to ground them. Shoot them on the ground. Nice arrow. Killer spot. Get Dennis driving to the bottom. He'll meet me at the gate. Where's the monkey at? Right on. I'm gonna walk all these flats. I'm gonna walk all that. Then come down the gate turn over here. Check out this ram. A sheep. This fawn is fucking huge. It's a big boy. I don't know how this one died. Bro. Yo, I'm taking this home. See the sheep. Fuck a deaf or what? Hello. Bro. Oh. Oh. The bugger is deaf. Why? Why are you so deaf? Or is that a cow? Is that a cow or sheep? The fuck? Come on, man. Oh, that's a sheep. A deaf sheep. Oi! Deaf ear. Oi! Bro, he's deaf. Oi! Deaf ear. Nah. Bah. Oh, got two. Nah. Whatever then. See how close I can get to him. Another sheep. Look at death. Sheeps. See how close. Alright, I'll use this tree. The sheep's behind this tree right now. Use this tree for coverage. I'll see how close I can get. See him. Alright. How close? Only what, 20 yards? we did. Lucky his bird hunt. I shot right under this rock. Let's see where that. Ready? I got him. Oh shit. Hit him with the small rock. Oh, that's funny. Oh. Hit him with the small rock. How funny. Oh. No birds. Lucky sheep. But it's not sheep season. It's bird season. Alright. I'm gonna meet with Dennis. Like no hall. You can tell an animal can cross this fence. That's all. Sheep. Again. The hell. Damn boy. You know what I'm saying? Yup, sheep crossing. We're putting big rock over here. Yeah. I'm on a spot now. Hopefully get something. Alright. Got one. Couldn't get on my videos on the fly. Right there. Oh, oh yeah. Oh. Whew. One down. Oh. So this is the dog I shot. The breast. All clean. The pellet. We're gonna liver. Well, yeah, I guess I can do a catch and cook, I guess. What you think, Dennis? Yeah. How much you need?
Maybe 10 more. Good snap. Chicken 10. Alright.
Back at home from Bernard. Dennis. Never got much. Only got one dove. So, I'm gonna try and make bird or chicken cutlet, but dove cutlet. Let's do the burger. Try them out. Just fillet these breasts. Sheep so tender. This is dove. And two. Alright, let's try it out. Dove cutlet. Check this out. I need a knife, bro. Use this. Scissors. Let's see. Oi! Oh, yeah. Like medium rare. Alright, get the dove cutlet. See, that was good. Oh, pretty good. Can't even tell it's dove. Like, I don't know. A little bit gamey, but can't really tell. It's like chicken. Last bite. Not bad. It's a shooting $1 now. Oh, that's it. Shoot!